Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn how to create an inventory management system with different stages of the product. As you are seeing my screen, I have created this inventory management system. The first page is the dashboard page. We are here showing the different stages of the product. So you can select the date. By default, we have taken the today's date, but you can input any date here, and then here you can select the product. So we have taken some dummy product, so let's say I'm selecting this one. Then you can see these are the different stages of the product. So on this date, how many products are in this stage, how many in this, and finally how many sold out. Okay, then you can see the trend by the date also for any particular product, whatever product you will select here, and you can select the stage also. So let's select the stage, and in this stage we can see this particular product was 00 on this, then it came this number, then it reduced, then this is the number. Okay, now let me show you the product master. Here we have 15 products. We have taken some dummy product. You can add your own products here, and you can add as much as you want. Then we have the stages list. So here we have taken the 9 stage of the product. However, in your case, you can change it as you want. Just make sure you are keeping the correct sequence of the stages. First, the product will come into this stage, then in this, then this, and this. Finally, it will go to the quality control, then it will be going for the packaging, then it will go to the warehouse, and finally it will be sold out. Okay, so these are the stages. You can keep your own stages. Now, once you have captured this information, then you need to input the data in the transactions worksheet. You can enter here date. Let's say I'm putting here 9 December. Then you just need to select the product from the list. So let's say I'm selecting this product. Then I'm saying, okay, this product is going from this stage to the second stage. Just select the next stage of that in the 2. Then how many quantity? I'm saying 100. Okay, so it will adjust automatically whole numbers. Now I'll show you the trend part. Here in the trend, what we are showing the 1 month of the data, 31 days of the data. You can select the first date of the month. For example, I can just input here 1st November, then it will show the data for the 1st November. Okay, so we don't have the data, so it is showing the blank. Now you can just input the 1st December. So it is showing the data for the 1st December. It will show the data till today's date only. Then you can select the stage. So let's say I want to see the assembly stage, and here you can see these are the different products. So I have put the formula. When you add the more product, you just need to fill down this formula like this. Okay, so it will show whole information. So we can see the trend on 4th December. We have this count for this product in this stage. Then on 5th we have this. So you can see overall view in one go by the product for the whole month. Okay, then we have the stage wise summary also. Here we have put the today's date. So as of today, you can see the different product and the stage. So this particular product today, how many are available in this stage and this stage and this stage, and how many sold out. Okay, for as of today. So till today's date it will show. However, you can change the date as you want. Alright, so this is the inventory management system with different stages. Now I will quickly show you how we have created this in Microsoft Excel. So first, what we are going to do, we have created few names. So let's go to the formulas and name manager. Here we have created for few names. We will show you the other one also, but let me show you the stage. So we are taking the dynamic range of the stage. You can see I have used the offset function. So as you add the new stage, it will consider automatically. Same for the product name. We have taken the dynamic name of the product. So we are using this to create the drop down. Okay. Now let me come to the support sheet. So here in the support sheet, we have given the option, but you can see we have put the index function, and we are taking these stages from stage. Okay. We are not taking the first stage because after material procurement, he will move to the next stage, right? So we will not show the information for the first stage, how many are in the first stage. We will show only next stage. Okay, so then here we have used the SUMIF function to get this quantity. Okay, and here we are taking the date, and this date we are taking from the trend sheet of the C4, which is this one. So whatever you will input here, the first date of the month for which month you want to see, the same information it will create here, and it will create the whole range. Then here we are using the function like sum if function, then minus sum if in and out. So from we are taking plus, and minus it is going to the 2. So we have from and to in the transaction. So we are managing it, how many quantity is going from here to this one. So we are adding here and we are minusing from here. Okay, so this is what we have put the formula. You can see the sum if function, and then we have the date wise values here. Similarly, we have put this sum if function here. So first we are taking the total into here, how many into this stage, and then we are taking how many is out from. Okay, now once we have this, then we have put some calculation that what is the max date. So max date we are using in the transaction table. So we are taking this is the maximum date, so that we can create the date range here, because we have created all information. So we will create till maximum date only. Okay, then here we are taking the count. So total count is 10. So we have the data till row number 10, we can see here. Okay, then we are creating here some range, so that we can create the dynamic range for the chart. So this is support sheet F to F10, which is this one, right, this date, and quantity for the chart is this one. And similarly for the stage V2 V9, we have put the formula here like this, and we are taking the count only from here, and using the minus count blank, this one. So we are getting the exact count. So you can see it is giving us this range, and similarly this one also. Once we have these all range, then we have created the name from the formulas. So let me show you. So first name, which is the date for chart. So we have used indirect function J4. J4 is this one, so date. Okay, if I click, then it will select the dates, you can see. Similarly, the quantity for the chart is this one. So it is selecting the quantity, but we are taking from J5, and here we are taking the J11, this one, the last, and stage for the chart is this one, J10. So we are using the indirect function. So that is how we have managed the support sheet. Now once we have completed this one, then we are creating the charts here. This is the simple drop down. We have already created the product list, so you can go to the data, and here we have the drop down option. So this is the drop down option of the product we have just created in the data validation, and we have put the product name, which is the name which we have created dynamically. And then in this chart, this is the simple column chart. You can see we have taken the dynamic names whatever we have created, and similarly here also. Okay, the same thing we have done here. Okay, this one, and for this one also. And this is the drop down again for the stages, you can see. Okay, so that is how we have created the dashboard sheet. Now in the stage, we have just put the index function, and we are taking the all stages name. If you go to the view and enable the heading, and just unhide this, then you can see we are getting some blank, and that is just because of, if you add the new stage here, new stage, and you put the serial number, automatically it will come to the stage summary, that new stage. Okay, and as you start using the data here, that will be considered. So you just need to unhide this, and that will be considered automatically. I can remove this. Then here we have the zero. So what we have done for these zeros, we can just right click and hide this. And if you have the less number of stages, then you will see some zeros here. For example, if you remove some of the stage from here, you will see those zeros. You can simply hide them. Okay, so I'm just keeping these number of stages, and here we are putting the product, and this product is also coming from the product master. We just have put the formula. So you don't need to put the product here, you just select and fill down this. Okay, so for the other products it will take automatically. So let me show you. If I add the new product here, then it will come here automatically. Okay, so let me undo this. Now let me show you the formula. Again, this is the simple sum if function. So first we are taking the sum of 2 minus from, that is available on the transaction table, 2 minus from of this quantity. Okay, so this is what we are doing here, and we are getting all information. Now next sheet is the trend sheet. Trend is nothing but we are showing the same information in date format. So we have here product. Now rather than stage, we have the dates here, and is for the stage we just have given here the drop down for which stage you want to see the information. Again, this is the same sum if function. You can see that is the sum if function, and we are using minus from sum if. Okay, so that is how we have created this one, and now we have the stage and the other one. For the support sheet we can make it hidden, and then we can come to the dashboard sheet, and let's save this. Alright friends, so that is how we have created this inventory management system with different stages, wherein we are showing the trends as well as the dashboard space. Alright, so you can use it for your manufacturing or for any other purpose. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for the watching.